So we're just leaving Cartagena port and there are people waving us goodbye at this beautiful green lighthouse. And look at that beautiful yacht in the horizon right there.
Bye.
Oh, stunning, so luxurious. Bye-bye Cartagena. We're crossing the Atlantic now, heading to Miami with Royal Caribbean.
Oh god, that's Janet's face. I think they're building oil.
Oh my god, is that an oil rig? What is it doing here? Oh, I think they're building a new one right here in the port. Oh, something new to see. That's interesting.